Rogies and Jimmy are already here. Dang, the terminal looks so nice now. I mean, I need to fix that, but the terminal looks super nice. I need to figure out if they're at West Coast.
Fancy pants.
What's up, dude?
What's up,
Nice camera.
Thanks, man.
New Christmas.
Finally got it, but man, did that take so long. Jimmy, Zach, and Drogies are downstairs. I'm on my way. That's right. Look at that. Hell yeah. Yo, your collection is huge now. I'm on that side. Shit, Zach. Native-ish. Nice. That's a good sticker. Bonfire burritos. Best burritos
They
in
have
the
like
country.
a 3 hour.
Woo-wee. Sheesh. Right, Zachary.
Yeah. Hey, remember to smash that subscribe and like button.
That's right, Zach. Well, we just got the Keystone.
What's up, all my team hats?
So stupid. Just got the Keystone now. I need to get dressed. I'm fucked up. I missed packing a pair of pants that I normally wear on top of my thermals. So I hope it's not going to be too cold for me. Finally made it out. After taking like 15 minutes to get dressed. Should be a grand old time. Zach's snowboarding for the first time. Hopefully he likes it better than skiing. I think he will. But now we're on the way to the gondola. Zach's already better than James on the first bunny run. Alright, Zach.
Oh yeah.
Bro, I'm a fucking idiot. I put my bindings on backwards. So the inside of my straps are on the inside instead of the outside. So I need to switch my feet. So I was outside doing my binding stuff. My right hand felt frozen, dude. It was like, I could not feel it. And it was like, for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, not doing anything. And bro, I could hit it against something and I would not feel it. So came inside. I was freaking out a little bit, so I went to ski patrol. And it's nothing. It's just to not have your fucking hand out in the fucking like super cold weather for too long, because that'll happen. But yeah, about to go outside again, hang out with Zach. Bro, Zach's picking this up pretty quickly. He has toe side turns kind of down. Although he didn't do one there. Now he is. Woo! Ooh! Sit. Yeah. Sit in your chair. Right here. Sit in that chair. Yeah, Zach. Hell yeah. Huh? Look at this guy. He thinks he's cool. Nice stop.
See what Zach's got.
Bro, he's picking it up pretty quickly.
Dude, for real.
Bro, that was a good heel side turn. He said he said toe side's easy for him. Sheesh! He's about to be doing fucking blocks by tomorrow.
And I told Team I got too much speed and hit my back edge. And it was literally like my cheek separated and I just landed straight on my asshole.
The butt plunger, like Nate calls it.
Yeah, that butt plunger.
Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, lead the way.
Me? Why you not? Why me?
Go.
You. Chipmunk. We're gonna try to catch up to Zach. Hopefully he's not at the bottom already. But that's the plan. Leg, baby. Pressure down there. Okay, Jim. Sheesh.
Send as Venmo.
Venmo.
R-E blank blank blank.
Send as
Remit? Is that it?
That's a word. I don't know what that means.
Like remit to?
I don't know what that means.
I'm in.
You want me to look it up?
Nope, that's it.
I would like to learn a new word.
Yeah, I got you.
Blank about you in quotes.
Crazy.
3 letters.
No, that's good. To send money in payments such as please remit $1,000 upon receiving this load.
Never heard that.
Never heard of that either. Me neither. You learn something new every day. Look at us.
Mad about you. iPart. Iris.
Damn. Fucking cooking now. Cooking now.
We are. Put a levy on.
Put a levy on?
Yeah.
Like Le'Veon Bell?
Yeah, is it Le'Veon Bell?
Hold on. Yeah, that's it.
Bro, you.
Starts with T. Tariff.
Damn. IFF.
1 F.
I think there's 2 F's.
There's 2 F's. But 1 F would fit.
Yeah.
Just ate at Pizza on the Run in Breck, or in fucking Keystone. Pretty solid pizza.
That is such a good beer. Scrumptious.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like mine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Got Time I open up, you can't roll with us.